Omnichef by Smeg contains 3 technologies in one: oven, steam and microwave. It's available in both 60cm and 45cm unit. Check out our videos on oven functions, steam technology and SpeedWave XL on our YouTube video channel. These will guide you on how to best use these independent technologies. With these 3 technologies, oven, steam and microwave, they combine to make this Omnichef technology, thus enabling you to create really delicious food in much less time, but without any compromise. Take this chicken for example. This is a 1.2 kilogram chicken. It would normally take an hour and a half to cook. But by combining all these 3 technologies, where we've got the SpeedWave microwave working on cooking the core of the chicken, the oven technology working on the browning of the results of the chicken, and then the steam to compensate any moisture loss, we're now going to have a chicken that's going to take just simply 30 minutes to cook. When first using the Omnichef technology, it might seem complicated to know which temperature and time to use for each of those individual functions. But the beauty of the Smeg oven is that it's going to guide you every step of the way due to the Smart Cooking function program. So in the control panel, you'll go in and you will find Smart Cooking. So once you select Smart Cooking, you'll see there's a whole selection of different categories you can choose from other than the chicken that we're cooking this time. But we're going to go along through to the meat function and then find our chicken and turkey, and to confirm that it will be a roast chicken. So we'll select our roast chicken. It's going to guide us what shelf we need to put the chicken on. It's also going to confirm that it is a whole chicken, and here we have the chance to change the weight of the chicken that we're going to pop into the oven. Now we have 1.2, so we will leave it where it is and hit the tick button. And there you can see it has actually chosen for us the correct cooking time. And if we want to find out more what the actual oven is going to do during that cooking process, by pressing the function, you can see the breakdown of what the oven is going to do to achieve this 30-minute cook time. So we've got 240 degrees of oven, we've got 40% of steam, we've got 300 watts of microwave and 30 minutes of cooking time. So let's hit the tick button and we'll pop the chicken onto that second shelf position. Pop the door shut and you'll see straight away that the play button is illuminated. So press play, and now it's telling us that we need to add the water into the oven. So the next step is to add the water into the appliance so that it can carry out the steam element of the cooking function. And you can see here the fill and hide mechanism has popped out ready for it to take the water. So pop the door open, you can place the jug of water onto the door or hold it, and then pull out the hose and pop it into the jug of water. Press play, and it's now going to take in exactly the amount of water that it needs. Okay, so the reservoir is now complete and the fill and hide mechanism can be popped back into the body of the oven. It's going to take a little bit of that excess water into the machine to make sure that the pipe is totally clear, and it's confirmed in the display. So pop the door shut, confirm that you've filled it up with water, and away it goes. Now you can see in the control panel that we haven't actually had to preheat it. It's showing red across the bottom. If it needed preheating, it would be showing an amber colour. So we have this chicken in here from cold, and it's going to take just 30 minutes to cook. So here we have it. Our chicken is ready. And you can see it has this beautiful crispy top and the juiciness that we'd expect from a roast chicken. And look how succulent and juicy that chicken is. The Omnichef technology also allows you to do a whole host of dishes, including things like sea bass, potato gratin, taking on the benefit of the 3 technologies: oven, steam and microwave. More can be explored in that Smart Programme section we saw earlier, where there are many that you can choose from. It's also possible to combine just 2 of the technologies at one time, for example, oven and microwave, so therefore you get the speed of the microwave but the browning of the oven. To find out more about this, check out our YouTube video on using the combination microwave. You can also combine steam and oven together too, which gives you juicy roasting results and also light aerated bakes. For further ideas on recipes and dishes that can be used using the Omnichef technology, check out our videos on YouTube with Theo Randall.